Hello, I'm Chef Jason, and welcome to the Great Australian Bite, where we share all things culinary, including history, stories, and recipes. So please don't forget to subscribe and join in on the adventure.
Okay, welcome to day 6 of our sourdough starter. Okay, let's see where we're at here. Got a tiny bit of action going on there. We'll have a look at this one. Yeah, a little bit of action there too. It looks like there's a little bit of hooch in that one as well. Let's open this up, see what it looks like on the inside. Yeah, there's a tiny bit of hooch still left there. Somebody asked me, why do we get that liquid, that brown liquid? What it is a fermentation. It's a byproduct of the yeast. So what the yeast is doing, it's feeding. It's feeding on all the that bran and the flour, and it feeds on that and lets off the gas. And if you know what a gas does, it is a byproduct of that. And so the residue that you see, all that liquid residue, is a byproduct of that gas. So that's all that hooch is. So there's nothing wrong with it. In fact, it's going to provide even a stronger flavor for your sourdough. I always stir mine in. Some people discard it, but I always stir mine in. All right, we'll have a quick look at the other jar. Yeah, that's no hooch there, which means it's feeding really well. So yeah, don't fret if you have no hooch, okay? It doesn't mean it's bad as well. I mean, what it is, basically the yeast has stopped feeding, and that's why it's producing all that sort of residue. So that's why we continually feed every day. So we're going to give it one more feed today. As I said, this is day 6. So one more feed, and then tomorrow we'll bring it in for the last feed tomorrow, and we'll see what plans we can make for this and what we're going to look at making for over the next week or so. Till then, thank you for viewing, and I'll see you again tomorrow.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and feel free to leave a comment below. Also, don't forget to check out our other content as well. This is Chef Jason, and don't forget, love is the secret ingredient.